If you've been wondering how to rate games on the itch.io, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can leave a rating and a review in just a few moments. This is useful whether you want to support an indie developer, share feedback, or help other players decide if a game is worth trying. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open itch.io and find the game you want to rate. You can do this by browsing the site, searching for the title, or opening a game from your library or collection. Once you find the game, click on it to open its page. This is important because the rating option is available from the game's own page, not from the search results. After the game page loads, look over to the right side of the page. You should see an option that says Rate this game. Click that button to start the rating process. Next, you'll be asked to choose a rating from 1 to stars. Take a moment to think about your experience with the game and select the number of stars that best matches your opinion. A higher rating usually means you enjoyed the game more, while a lower rating can reflect problems with gameplay, presentation, or overall experience. After selecting your star rating, you'll see a section for your review. This is where you can share what you liked or disliked about the project. Try to be clear and honest, and if possible, mention specific things like the art style, controls, story, music, difficulty, or performance. A helpful review gives both the developer and other players better insight into the game. Once your rating and review are ready, click Submit to post everything, and that's it. You've successfully rated a game on itch.io. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference for indie creators who rely on feedback from players like you. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there's another itch.io feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.